GoHighLevel has 3 pricing plans. Pick the wrong one and you're either missing out on features you actually need or paying for stuff you'll never touch. In this video, we're going over the starter plan, the unlimited plan, and the Pro SaaS plan, what's in each one, who it's for, and which one you should actually get. I'm Erin from SaaS Report. Let's get into it. If you're brand new to GoHighLevel, here's the quick version. It's an all-in-one marketing platform, mainly built for agencies and local businesses. Think of it like taking 10 tools and slamming it into one dashboard. CRM, email marketing, SMS, funnels, websites, automations, booking calendars, review management, all in one place. That's why people love it. You stop paying for 5 different tools and just pay one price. But which plan you're on determines how many accounts you can run, how much you can customize it, and whether or not you can actually resell it. That last part is important. We'll get to it. Here's something nobody talks about when they bring up GoHighLevel pricing. Most people who hesitate at $97 or $297 a month are already spending more than that, just spread across 5 different tools that don't talk to each other. Think about it. You've probably got something for email marketing, something for booking, something for your website, maybe a separate CRM, a form tool, a review management tool. Add all of those up and you're easily at $200, $300, sometimes $400 a month for a stack that's duct taped together and constantly causing headaches. GoHighLevel replaces all of it, so the price you're looking at isn't an extra expense. For most people, it's actually a reduction, but here's the part that really hits different. What does one missed lead cost you? If you're a service business and your average client is worth $1,500, $3,000, $5,000, and you're currently following up manually or not at all, you are losing deals every single week to slow response times. GoHighLevel automates that follow-up. The second someone fills out a form, they get a text. Most competitors take hours. You respond in seconds. That one thing alone, just the speed of follow-up, has closed deals for people that they would have lost without it. So when you're looking at that pricing page, don't ask, can I afford this? Ask what one missed deal actually costs you. Because for most people, that answer is a lot more than $97 a month. All right, first up, the starter plan, $97 a month. This is the entry-level option. It's the I want to try this and actually use it for my own business plan. And for a lot of people, solo business owners, freelancers, local service businesses, this is genuinely all you need. Here's what you get. Full CRM access, you can manage your contacts, build pipelines, track where every lead is in your sales process, and follow up with people automatically. Most CRMs charge $50 to $100 a month just for that. On Starter, it's included. Automations are in there too. You can build workflows that send a text the second someone fills out your form, or a follow-up email 3 days later, or a voicemail drop if they don't respond. All on autopilot, you set it up once and it runs forever. Funnels and websites are included. You don't need ClickFunnels, you don't need Wix. You build it right inside of GoHighLevel. Landing pages, full sites, booking pages, all of it. So far, so good, right? But here's where the limitation shows up. On the starter plan, you get one sub account. One. That means you're running GoHighLevel for one business, which is yours. If you're an agency and you've got multiple clients, you can't just add them all on here. You need to upgrade. There's also no white labeling on starter. The platform looks like GoHighLevel. Your logo isn't on it, your clients would see GoHighLevel branding and not yours. And some of the more advanced features like certain reporting tools and multi-user permissions, those are all limited at this tier. So bottom line on starter, if you're a business owner who wants one solid platform to replace a bunch of different tools, yes, this is your plan. It's affordable, it's powerful for one account, and it gives you access to everything GoHighLevel is known for. But if you're running an agency, keep watching. Real quick, if you want to try GoHighLevel out for yourself, use the link down below in the description. Instead of the standard 14 days, you get an extended trial, so you get 30 days with our link down below. And if you already have an account, you can also use our link down below to access a free snapshot. Next is the unlimited plan. It's $297 a month. This is the agency plan. The whole point of this tier is one thing: unlimited sub accounts. You can add as many client accounts as you want without paying anything extra per client, and that changes everything. Think Think about it this way. You're running an agency, you've got 15 clients. Each one needs their own CRM, their own automations, their own pipeline. On Starter, you'd have to buy 15 accounts. On Unlimited, you'd create 15 sub-accounts under your one plan. And if you're charging those clients $500 or $800 or $1,200 a month for your services, your $297 pays for itself after one client. Everything else is profit. On top of unlimited sub-accounts, you get white labeling. You can put your agency's branding on the desktop version of the platform, so when your clients log in, they see your logo, your colors, your name, not GoHighLevel. To your clients, this is your software. That is a big deal for positioning. You look like you built a real product, not like you're reselling someone else's tool. You'll also get more users, stronger reporting, and every feature from Starter, but replicated across every client account you create. Each sub-account is basically a fully loaded starter plan. CRM, funnels, automations, calendars, all of it for every single client. With Unlimited, every single client lives inside one login. You pull up your agency dashboard, see all your clients, click into whoever you need, and you're in their full account in 2 seconds. That kind of organization sounds small, but it genuinely changes how you operate day to day. But here's what Unlimited doesn't do. You can't resell GoHighLevel as your own SaaS product. You can use it to deliver services, but you're not selling access to a platform and collecting recurring software subscriptions. That is the next tier. Also, the mobile app on Unlimited still shows GoHighLevel branding. You're not fully white labeled on mobile. That upgrade comes with Pro SaaS. Unlimited is the plan for agencies doing client work, managing accounts, running campaigns, delivering results. If that's you, this is your home base. If you're already thinking about which plan is right for you, the best way to know for sure is to actually get inside the platform. All right, the big one, SaaS Pro, $497 a month. This plan isn't just about using GoHighLevel, it's about selling it. You become a SaaS company. You're not an agency delivering services anymore. You are a software provider with your own product. Here's how that actually works. SaaS mode lets you create your own subscription plans inside GoHighLevel and sell access to the platform under your own brand. You set the price, you set what features are included, your clients pay you a monthly fee, and they're using what looks and feels like your software. Your logo, your name, no GoHighLevel branding anywhere. Let's talk numbers for a second. You're on SaaS Pro for $497 a month. You build a simple CRM product, you'll call it something like Local Lead Pro, and you sell it to local businesses for $197 a month. 10 clients, that's $1,970 a month coming in. Your cost is $497. You are keeping over $1,400. 20 clients, almost $4,000 a month. 30 clients, nearly $6,000. The math compounds fast. SaaS Pro also unlocks rebilling. GoHighLevel charges base rates for things like text messages, emails, and phone calls made through the platform. With rebilling, you mark those up. You charge your clients more than what GoHighLevel charges you, and you keep the difference. It's a built-in second revenue stream on top of your subscription fees. And the mobile app white label, that's on this plan. Your clients go to the App Store, search for your app, and download it. Your icon, your name, fully branded, GoHighLevel isn't visible anywhere in the experience. You also get priority support on SaaS Pro. When something breaks and a client is frustrated, you don't want to be sitting in a queue. Priority support matters at this level. Now, is SaaS Pro for everyone? No. If you're just getting started and you don't have clients yet, $497 is a heavy monthly commitment. You need a clear strategy for acquiring clients and getting them onto your platform before the numbers make sense. But if you've got a solid client base, you understand marketing, and you want to build a recurring revenue business that actually scales without you trading time for money every month, this is the plan that makes that possible. Which plan is right for you? Let's make this super easy. One business, one account, just want a powerful tool to manage your leads and marketing? Starter. $97 a month, you've got everything you need. Running an agency, managing multiple clients, delivering marketing services for people? Unlimited. $297 a month, unlimited sub-accounts, white label, one dashboard for all your clients. Want to build and sell your own SaaS product, collect recurring software subscriptions, and run a scalable software business? SaaS Pro, $497 a month. Here's the one question that makes the decision obvious. Ask yourself, am I using this for one business, managing it for multiple clients, or selling it as my own software? Your answer is your plan. Most people watching this are probably between Starter and Unlimited. If you're not sure which one, start with Starter, get familiar with the platform, and once you're signing clients, the jump to Unlimited pays for itself almost immediately. easy. And if you're serious about the SaaS model, SaaS Pro is where that journey starts. That's the full breakdown: Starter, Unlimited, SaaS Pro. Now you know exactly what each one does and which one fits where you're at. If you're ready to get started, use the link down below in the description. It's our GoHighLevel affiliate link. You get an extended free trial, and if you already have a GoHighLevel account, you can use our link down below to claim access to a free snapshot. Drop a comment and tell me which plan you are going with. I want to know. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next tutorials. I'm Erin from SaaS Report. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.